recovery team goes out the day prior, and they rigged the aircraft so that it would fly right. They put a parachute on the tail of the helicopter so that it'll fly straight once we get it up and take off with it. Mostly between my flight engineer and the guys on the ground, they use hand signals, and he kind of directs them. They coordinate it before we hook up, so everybody knows where they need to be and where they're going to go. And then once we start picking it up, if there's any problems, he just kind of directs them and tells them what to do. Well, normally if an aircraft has a hard landing, they can repair it on station and then fly it back. That would be preferable, but if it's beyond being able to be repaired, then it has to be carried out, slung-loaded out, and recovered.
Well, we recovered Mi-17 today from one of the outlying fobs because, of course, they can't stay there very long. They take up too much room, so we're called upon to recover the aircraft and bring it back to CAF so they can hopefully get it flyable again. Yeah, the aircraft had a hard landing, so we sent a team out to remove the blades and defuel it, so it was a little bit lighter, easier for us to pick up. A lot of crew coordination, a lot of coordination between the unit that goes out to take the blades off and actually rig the aircraft for the sling load, because it's got to be almost perfect. Make sure it flies properly, and make sure, of course, we don't damage our aircraft in the operation. Oh, yeah, I love getting out, especially when you go out and do something cool like this. It's not the everyday mission. Usually, it's a lot of pack hauls and internal cargo. So to actually be able to go out and do aircraft recovery and do something that's a little bit different, a little bit off the normal scheme of what we do is great.